Hey guys, so today we're going to unbox the Xbox controllers. This is a very nice colors. It's caught my eye, so I have to get it. This is a wireless controller, and it is also compatible with Xbox, PC, Android, Windows, Xbox One, Xbox Series S and X. What's included: controllers and batteries. So on the back, you got your green, your black, and on the back, you got your white. So we're gonna open up this package. So no need for the knife. Let's peel this off right here. And it is very beautiful. Look at that. I love this color. This color is amazing. And on the back right here, you get your your headphone and you got your auxiliary cord. This one is your USB-C charger. And right here, you get your batteries. And it comes with the batteries right here. And right here you have your symbol, say plus and negative. So we're going to put our plus in this way and our negative in this way. Close it up. There we go. And when you want it to link to a computer or PC or iPad, iOS, or Xbox systems, hold this button and you will get your flash button right here. And once you get that flash button, then you can start to link with any device you want. So other than that, I do love this controller. This is one of my best controller, caught my eyes. So next, what is inside the package? You get your owner manuals, you get your instructions, all that good stuff. And here you got your other package. Now, if you wanted to connect this thing to a PC, you have a two option. One, you can get a Microsoft USB, or two, you can link it through Bluetooth. And right here, you can also control the Xbox as well. So just log onto your PC, your Windows. And back here, number two, plug into your Xbox. You have to press that. And you have to press the Xbox logo on there. Same thing with the iPad, iPhone, laptop. Hold it for 3 seconds and start linking. And that should be it. Very simple cat package. Let me know what you guys think of this Xbox controllers. Do you guys like the colors? I do love the colors, so I'm going to keep it for now. But yep, that's all that I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this Xbox controller. Do you guys like the colors? Leave in the comment below, alright? Have a great day, guys.